Okay, here is problem 2 of area of polygons, and I went ahead before this and graphed it on Desmos to save time because I like when things are on graph paper because it is easier to visualize, but it's the same shape that we were given, so I'm going to draw that. So first I'm going to take a different color, and my method of choice that I find the easiest is box method, so I'm just going to draw a box around it. And this is one of those shapes that has the rectangular square, so we'll just draw that, and it's just, instead of 1/2 base times height, it's just normal base times height, and it's the same thing. So now I am going to find the side lengths of all these little triangles. So that's 2, 3, 2, 9, 3, 1, and then this area is 2, and 6. Now we are going to find the area of all those by doing 1/2 base times height. So that would be 3, 9, 1.5, 2, and 6. And we know that the side lengths of the rectangle is 8 times 5, which equals 40. And we're going to use that because that's the area of the whole big rectangle. And subtract all the small areas. So that's -6, -3, -9, -1.5, and -2. And using that, you get, let me check it in my calculator, 40 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 minus 1.5 minus 2 is 18.5. So your final answer is 18.5 square units.